on my gang shit. Whole gang bang shit. Whole thing gang shit. In the Benz, I'm tryna lane switch. Deep inside, they know I whack 'em, just be on cool shit. I got this fully automatic, it can't swerve through the back street. Straight up out the yeah. Everybody got a blick.
Windshield TV, y'all tap in with that boy. Big
things. He gon' chew it just like gum, yeah. Freely deep.
You feel me? Love my big dog out here.
Yeah.
Y'all tap in with that boy. Windshield TV. Y'all tap in.
Young nigga shit ain't shoot no one. Came from nothing, moving up. Art play, art dead. Slid on him, dually truck. Speeding like a booby doo. Got speed. They know my whole game purple. Yeah, they know my whole game.
Windshield TV, man. I'm back at y'all with another one. Today a special day. Today a real special day. I've been wanting to get my front windshield tinted for the longest. So I'm actually on my way to go get it done right now at a place called Car Spy here. They actually tinted Tatiana. They tinted my Camry too. So yeah, they just look at it real quick before I get that tint laid on that thing. That thing on film, what she look like. I might even have to go dark. On the side. The main thing, look at the windshield. Look at the windshield. So what I decided, I've been debating for a minute. I've been debating on what percent I'm gonna go with on the front. My homeboy got down, my homeboy Trap House, he got a Trailblazer SS. He went 20 on the front. He got 5 on the side. My coworker went 5 on the side, I think, 5 or 10 on the side, and went 30 on the front. So I wasn't gonna do 20, but I was like, nah, 20 might be too dark. So I was asking the lady at the spot. She was like, usually they do like 35. Everybody who done did 30 and 20, well, everybody who done did 20, they always come back saying it's too dark. That's one right there. Yeah, so they always saying it's too dark. But I had to think about shit. This a hot ride. I don't drive it every day, so it really don't matter. But I think I might do what my coworker did. I might just go, I might just do 30 on that joint. 35, I don't know. I'm stuck between 35 and 30 with you. It ain't far, but I think it will make a big difference. You know what I'm talking about when it comes to that tint. Cause 7.8 Chevy boy, he got 30, I think he got 35 on his joint. I had rode him, then I had went and watched his video. He got 35 on the front, 5 on the side. So I'm just still trying to debate what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'll get at y'all when I get up there. Yeah, so I just made it up to the spot. I'm finna go ask, do they want me to bring it up to the door, leave it out here, or what? But yeah, like I said, they go one more time before I get that windshield blacked out. I'm gonna look at that girl one more time before I get that windshield blacked out. I can't wait out. But like I said, this is a place right here called Car Spy, Highland Road. They tinted my Camry, and they tinted Tatiana. So yeah, I'm finna go up here. Ask, do she want me to pull her up to the door? Or do she just want to take my keys? You know what I'm talking about? Got her early. My original appointment was Saturday, but I was so geeked up. I was like, nah, we're gonna do that thing Thursday. So yeah, I'm about to pull that thing in for him. He said they done had issue with older cars. So I'm gonna do 35. I'm gonna do 35 on this joint. Cause he said they 35 bumped down to 27 on a newer car. But I gotta remind you, this ain't the original windshield. I got to replace before, so it might bump me down to. It might bump me down to 27. But if not, it'll bump me down to 30. It's still cool though, so y'all hold tight. I just want y'all to see how them pipes, big ass 3-inch, busting that pressure off under that boy. Oh yeah. Man, we finna go and get the business. You know that scroker? That scroker be shaking the I had it sitting on the floor. When you know that bitch scroker be shaking it well, so I had to hold it in my hand. Yeah, we on Hollow Road, car spy. About to get that tint slapped on that windshield. I'm trying to see can I swing by the muffler shop to get that bracket put on too. Try to knock a few things out. Y'all hold on, cause I gotta be careful pulling this joint up in here. Yeah, so dude said it's gonna take like an hour. Sit here, kick it. I got down, yeah. I went on the transformation, man. You know what I'm at? I went on the transformation. I've been wanting this jump for a minute. I've been debating it. You know what I'm saying? And I went on here to pull the trigger on that jump. Got up. We doing it. We finna make it happen. Summertime when I'm blowing snowballs, that's when the most heat come in that jump anyway, is the windshield. You know what I'm saying? When I had first got the air hooked up last year, June the 29th, OBS jump. You know what I'm saying? It was cool in that jump, but that windshield, that sun was definitely beaming because it was hot as hell that day. So we ain't gonna have the issue this year. We ain't gonna have the issue this year. And you know, it's kind of cloudy outside, so it's gonna be probably super dark. It's gonna look super dark. Then like the lady was saying the other day, the front windshield gonna make the side even dark. So like I said, man, when I leave this jump, I'm trying to swing by the muffler shop, get them, put that bracket on the right pipe, pull that jump up for that exhaust leak can go away. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna get at y'all when that thing done. So yeah, man, she done. I'm kind of like this about it, you feel me? Because it ain't dark like I really wanted it to be. It ain't as dark like I thought it was gonna be, you feel me? Tell me what y'all think. Definitely make the sides a little darker though. Definitely make the sides a little darker. And I don't know, I really don't know if it's gonna get, I don't know because it's brand new, it's fresh or what. But I'm gonna tell you something, dog. Yeah, that 35% right there. They said it dropped down to 27. I should have went on ahead and did 20, man. No cap. But I'm gonna give it a few days. It's fresh right now. See what it got there. Look better. I know at nighttime it's really gonna be dark. But at daytime, really what I want, that's ceramic. He told me not to clean it. Y'all probably can't, well, y'all can see it a little bit. But he told me not to clean it. He told me not to clean it for 2 weeks. And I can't put my my mount back up there at least for a few days. So yeah, it's okay. It's straight. I'm gonna give it a few days. But I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, I should've went out here and did 20, dog. Trying to be on the safe side. It's straight. But I still can see in that jump. That's what I don't like. Damn, I should've went 20, but I'm gonna give it a few days. At jump 210, I might snatch that bitch out. I ain't gonna lie, dog. Really, I wanted a dog in it, but like I said, I'm gonna give it a few days. See how I like it. I've been trying to swing by the muffler shop, get the hanger put up there, so y'all stay with me. Oh yeah, I just came up here to the muffler shop. They got like a 3-hour wait, so I'm finna dip. I probably have to catch them another day before I get that hanger done. But yeah, call the muffler shop. And they didn't do my pipes. I got my pipe did by Superior in Portsmouth, but it's so far away that, you know what I'm saying, I don't really feel like going out there for that right there, because they was the one that put the hang on. So I got the mufflers and the pipes done in Portsmouth. But look at here. I just was talking about that joint. I think I just gotta give it time, dog, because it's already seemed like it's getting darker, man. You feel me? Especially on the camera. It already seemed like it getting dark, so like I said, if I just completely count it out, I'm gonna give it some time, cause I just got to put up there. So I'm gonna give it some time. And as you can see, it's looking better than what it was when I first did my video. Yeah, I don't know, but I think I give it some time, dog, cause now I'm looking at it like this. I'm looking at it like the 22, dog, but I thought about it. I got 20 on the side. So if I got 20 on the side and I can see just fine at night, it would have been the same for the front. So like I said, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it time. Give it a week or two, see how I like it. You feel me? It might sound crazy, but man, I get this junk snatched out, no cap, and get that 20 laid across that thing. So, yo, we'll go from there. So, man, we might end up going to the track. This weekend. I don't know. But, yeah, guess we're gonna see. I'm gonna holler back at y'all later on. Man, this is the first day later. I'm tapping back in with y'all, you feel me? Yeah, this is the first day later. The boy Jay got off. Jay ran to the audio store. Asking the boys about my sister, because I really need to see if my box is cracked, because I don't like how that thing sound no more. But the sun was out earlier, and I had brought it out, drove to work and everything, because I wanted to show y'all what that junk look like in the daytime. But now that it's cloudy, show y'all what that girl look. And of course, it's gonna be a lot darker because it's cloudy. But when I first got to work, the sun was out a good little bit. And I was down there, I was like, man, I was thinking about hot riding that junk out. And why I say that is because when the sun was out, it's like I could see through it a little bit more than what I wanted. But I don't know, man, I might just be cool, dog. I might just be cool and just rock out with it, you know what I'm saying? Because I want to hot ride it out, but then again, I don't want it dark enough that the police gonna mess with me. Then again, I don't care, you know what I'm saying? Because it's a hot ride. And when I say hot ride it out, most people I know with old school, they got the 5-hour way around, and they might have what I got on the front, which is 35. But I still haven't pulled it out at nighttime, see what it look like at nighttime. This is my second time. This a few days later, so I had time to cure a little bit. Like the dude told me, wait 2 weeks before I clean it. And like I said, right here, especially when you step back a little bit, you know what I'm saying, you really can't see too much. You can see like the billet part of it look a little different on camera, but you can see on real light time, you can see the billet part of that steering wheel, and I can see out my back window. You feel me? So, yeah, man, y'all follow in the comment, let me know if I'm doing too much or this thing straight. Because I'm thinking about hot riding this joint out, man. 5-hour way round, and leave the 35 up front right now, just see what it do. You feel me? Because when the sun is not out, it's perfect, like how it is now. But I kind of want it like this even in the daytime. You feel me? So, man, y'all follow in the comment, man. Let me know what y'all think about that girl. What y'all think about that girl? Should I hot ride that thing out, throw that wrap a little ass in 5-hour way round? Or just leave that thing alone? Tell me what y'all think. So look good now. Yeah, man, that's where I'm at right now. I want to tap back in with y'all when the nighttime hit. You know what I'm saying? I want to tap back in with y'all when the nighttime hit. But we can see what the thing looking like, which I already know it's going to be perfect. You know what I'm saying? Because it's nighttime, of course. But the daytime is really what I'm going out to, you know what I'm saying? Because we get on that road, I'm going to have that air blowing this summer. And I don't want that sun to be beaming on me like it was, you feel me? Goddamn car cover be scratching nigga joint. Might give me another A1 car cover, but yeah. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to pull that thing out tonight and show y'all what she look like. Holler at y'all later on. Back in here, tapping back in with y'all. This the same day. It's just a little bit late on. I ran a little earlier got caught in the rain, so you know I had to watch that girl. But what I decided to do, my mind had made up. I just went to holler at old girl who work at the spot where they tinted my joint. And what I originally told her I wanted to do, because my mind is already set, I'm going to hot ride it out. So I had told her I'm going to take all the tint out of the back and go darker. They go 5. You know what I'm saying? But what she recommended was, instead of taking it out, throw a layer around all that junk. You feel me? Just to darken it down. I don't think about it, avoid the pillar warranty. So I told her what I want to do. So now this is the main thing I wanted y'all to see. I finally got it out here in the sun now. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. I don't know how good y'all can see it on camera, but here where I'm at in live, you can see right through my junk. And it could be because I got that 20 wrapped around still light that come in. So before I talk about getting the front, see on the camera it look perfect to y'all, but in real life, you know what I'm saying, I need it darker than that. And I'm gonna start with the side. And I think she would like throw 20 or 15% on top of what I already got. They're gonna bring me down where I want to be at, I feel. I'm gonna darken the side and see what the front looking like. But like she said, she ended up darkening her side and you can't really see nothing through the windshield. That's what I want. I don't want to see nothing on the side of the front windshield. So that's what I came up with. I want to get it out here in the sun. That gleam that girl up. 10-year-old paint, painted 2016. She got her flaws, but overall she's straight. But yeah, probably before the summer jump off. Whenever I get time, get chance, I'm gonna take that joint up there and let them rewrap that thing and throw that darker percent on top of what I already got going around that joint. And like I said, I originally was gonna tap back in with y'all at nighttime, but I'm pretty sure y'all already know what that thing looking like, so I ain't even worried about that. But this is my thing. See right here, probably can see right through my joint, right? Well, can you? I don't know. Walk up on that joint. Yeah, you can see my steering wheel. It's kind of hard to see on camera. Let me see, you can see my coat. You can see my coat back there with the sun shining through the joint. Even though I know because the sun out, you're going to see something, but I just want to darken it. And I think when I black that side out, black that back out a little bit more, they're going to give me the look I want. But I'm going to keep going until I get the look I want. You feel me? Black the side out, it still ain't that front coming out, and I'm going to go dark. But I think probably darken the side, going down the 5, hot ride that thing out, I think I'll be where I want to be at. So, with that being said, man, this just was a little something. I finally got the windshield tinted on that junk. Oh, God. Ooh, she pretty. Finally got the windshield tinted on it. And I had asked about the curve. She said, no, it ain't going to get no darker. It just going to, in the 2 weeks, that'll give it time for it won't move. So, I definitely got to go darker, you know what I'm saying? Because when the cloud outside, it's kind of perfect, but I want it like that all the time. So until the next one, dog, I'm gonna get at y'all later on at Mississippi TV. Y'all tap in with that boy. Bet thing smoking on YouTube, shout I ain't lying. Like, comment, subscribe. Man, tell somebody so they tell somebody about the boy, man. Highway 45, bring down the center Clay County. Man, y'all already know that my neck of the wood back home. Like I said, man, follow no comment and tell me what y'all think about that 35 with that 20 wrapped around that thing. And I'm thinking about throwing an extra layer on the side and the back. Get me where I need to be at. Holla at y'all. Y'all be easy out there.